Reheating a Big Mac can be a quick and easy process that allows you to enjoy your favorite fast food sandwich even when you don't have the time or opportunity to visit a McDonald's restaurant. Whether you're looking to reheat a leftover Big Mac from the night before or to revive a cold sandwich you've saved for later, there are a few different methods you can use to get your Big Mac hot and ready to eat. In this video, we'll cover some of the most popular and effective methods for reheating a Big Mac so that you can choose the one that's right for you. I am Sabrina, a food enthusiast from Bloggingoodfood. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Method 1, Reheating Big Mac in a microwave. The thing to consider. Before you start to reheat Big Mac in the microwave, you need to keep this thing in mind. If your sandwich has lettuce leaves, they can turn out soggy at the end. You can take out the lettuce leaves from the sandwich and put the sandwich in the microwave to heat it. To reheat the Big Mac in the microwave, you will have to follow these steps. Preheat your microwave. Take a microwave-safe dish. Place your Big Mac in the dish and keep it inside the oven. Reheat your Big Mac in it for about 2 to 3 minutes maximum. Method 2. Reheating Big Mac in the conventional oven. Preheat the oven at medium. Wrap the sandwich loosely in aluminum foil. Put the dish inside the oven. Heat the sandwich for approximately 5 minutes. Method 3, Heating the burgers only. This is the last thing you can do to reheat your McDonald's Big Mac professionally and enjoy the fresh taste every time. When you deconstruct a Big Mac and reheat the burger patties separately, it gives you a pretty pleasing effect later on. It lets the lettuce stay crisp, and the bun will be fresher and softer.